Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let's see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart which you are seeing is the Goodwill Commodities charting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This tiny ash color candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 457. What we expected yesterday was for this complete week we were targeting this 456. So we made it very clear, if the price is staying above 456 we can expect the price to stay in buying, and if the price is staying below 456 we can expect the price to come under selling pressure. So now let us see what happened after the price opening, and also what we requested all the clients yesterday was to follow the Goodwill Commodities charting tool, because the situation of the market was quite tough for copper traders. So we expected that our charting tool can guide and help you to take a valuable trading decision. Now let us see what happened after the price opening. After the price opening, the market straight away you can see the price was continuous, the price opening. When we see when we compare to the previous day's price closing, it just looks like as a continuation of what happened on the previous day. So it continued its trend. So it was trying to come and hit 456 to test 456, and our Goodwill charting tool is also indicating that the momentum for buying is very weak. So the price straight away came and tested exactly the key zone of 456, where it could not stay, and all our charting and our Goodwill charting tool is also indicating that the momentum for buying is very weak. So the price came down to 454. We had noticed that so many times that after the price hitting 454, this particular area the market had provided a bounce back, the same way that happened yesterday. After the price entering into 454, it provided a bounce back. By that time our charting tool again saying that the momentum for buying is something, there is something for buyers. So what happened, the price took a support and tried to put something above 458. So it was swinging both the ways, and our charting tool is also doing a wonderful job in identifying the trend. Finally it could not sustain there, so the price fell down below 456. That induced huge selling pressure that pushed the price down till 452. And in the beginning of this week, in the Monday weekly analysis, we made a clear emphasis on the importance of 456 and 452, and we know that this is a very tough zone for this particular contract. If you have histories of chart for this previous data for this particular contract, if you go and see that this 456 and 452, this both the zones are the very toughest zone. So that is the reason we put a lot of emphasis how you should take this 456 and 452 as a support. And we want to say that clearly our charting tool is doing a wonderful job in identifying this trend, even in this very difficult situation. You can see even in this very difficult situation our charting tool is providing you a very exact and clear signal for traders. So what happened after that, after touching 452, as we know that it is also one of the major support zone, the price provided a bounce back and the price closed around 454. So what we can do today, the expected price opening for copper can be somewhere near the same zone where it closed on the previous day. Based on the NMX price direction, we are predicting the price opening. Few changes can be there based on where the European dollar is going to stay. So what we can do today is that still we can say we are not out of danger. This, unless until you see this 456, we should be very careful while dealing with this 456 and 452 zone. But we can assure you there is something big profit is waiting for copper traders, since other market, if you see the other commodities are very volatile. So that is the reason, one of the reason copper is taking some rest. Soon it will also pick the momentum. So what we can expect today is that today we are expecting copper to stay in downtrend, having 456 as a resistance zone. Again, a word of caution, kindly follow Goodwill Commodities charting tool. It has got the potential to clearly identify the trend when the price consolidates. Even in a very big consolidating market like copper, you can see how accurately it is providing trading signals. So it is two part. One is following a video analysis, second is following Goodwill charting tool. If you can use both the things, you can never go wrong in trading commodities. So let's see what happened during the trading session and the expected target zone. If the trend continues, 447.6, and at the bottom 442 you can expect. So thank you. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.